Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to play Roll in a Cart. So basically you're going to I think write a cart, and yeah, that's pretty much it or something. I don't know, okay? It's just my first time playing this. And I already damaged my cart. Wait. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, almost. Oh my God! I almost. Yes, let's go. I'm focusing on the game. Sorry, that's why I'm quiet. I'm sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The map. The map. Looks cool. And I fall. Okay, so okay, I fell. No way that I fell. Oh my God. Come on, move, man. Oh, nah. Oh my. Hold on. No, I got no Robux, but. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, please. Why am I so fat, bruh? I can't even like drag my own cart, man. Come on. Whoops. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. No! Frick you! No! Son of. No weaver! Okay. No way that I'm that heavy, bruh. No way that I'm that heavy. Oh my God. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom, bang. I'm pro at this, look. I'm pro at this. Okay, so maybe I lie. No, the tires. Again. No way I'm doing this again and again, bro. Come on, please. I try to beat this game, bro. Come on, even just stage 1, please. Whoop. Ooh, okay. No! Please continue, please. No, why is this happening to me, bro? Come on, please. Please, bro. Please. Oh. Oh, okay. You can have some skins, but it costs so much Robux. Please. No way I'm that. No way I'm that heavy. No way I'm that heavy. What the heck, bro? Come on. Flip. No way, bro. Okay, bro. I'm going to give up on this game, bro. Okay, that's it. I give up now. Not just kidding, but please. Oh, please. No. No, 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 no. No. Oh my god. No. This this girl is so annoying, bro. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Whoa, 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 who is this? Ooh, boom. Oops. Okay, it's time to focus now. Okay. It's super easy. What is this? Oh, hell no. What the Oh my god. I'm beating this. Yes. Oh my god. For the first time in for the first time I finally beat the stage 0. Okay, so no. No. Oh my god, this girl. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. This stupid girl. Yes, it's my time to like. Oh my god, he fell. He fell. No, wait. Sorry. I coughed for a bit. My throat hurts. No way, this annoying girl so much. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. No, last one. No, please, no. Oh my god. Fine, bro. I'm out, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. This game is so annoying. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. No. This girl. Oh my god, this girl. Oh my god, man. What the? happened? I move so slow because a little bit of slowness, loneliness. Oh, bro, come on, bro. Oh my God, that's just great, mate. So this game is fun. This game is fun and yeah, pretty annoying. So yeah, but I recommend it if you're bored. Bye. Bye. See you soon. Bye bye. See you next time to another video.